Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis video. Today we're talking about Pyrokinesis. Not just normal Pyrokinesis, we're doing advanced Pyrokinesis today. What does that mean? In the last Pyrokinesis video, I showed you how you can focus the heat of your body into your fingertips. In that way you can burn other objects. Today we're going to do the same thing but from the distance. So we're going to burn this toilet paper here, and I'm going to do that from over there. So that means that I can't touch the object at all, so I have to burn it from the distance. And how does it work? How is that possible? So let me prepare this real quick. So the idea is that you focus on the heat of your body. You try to push it into just your fingertips, and the way you do that is you have to do the breathing technique. As a reminder, you have to breathe in 100% and exhale 50%. And you're going to continue doing that for a while. And in the same time, you try to focus on your energies, the energies inside your body, and try to push them towards your fingertips. You might feel some sensation in your fingers, but you also might feel a little nauseous because all the blood out of your brain and all your other limbs are going to go into your fingertips, and so that means that your entire body's the blood flow is a little slow, but that's okay for a few seconds. But if you do that, you can really have you really feel the heat in your fingertips, and then the next step is really try to get the heat from your fingertips through the space, through the distance into the object, And the way you do that is you have to do pyrokinesis first. You have the heat in your fingers, and then you do telekinesis to bring the heat from your fingertips towards the object and until it burns. And let me clarify something. You can't burn just nothing. You can't just make fire out of nowhere. The way fire works, you have to burn something, otherwise it doesn't exist. So you have to have an object which is able to burn, like wood or paper or toilet paper in that case. And you also need air, because without air fire can't exist, and that way you can burn an object. But let me clarify also that please do that in a safe space. Don't do that inside, because you could accidentally hurt yourself or others, or burn down your house, and you don't want that. Believe me, I've been there. So please do that in a safe space, like out here. It's a safe environment. There's nothing else we could burn. It's a metal table. It's a hard floor. Nothing can burn here. So it's a very safe space. That is why I'm doing that here. So yeah, again, I'm gonna do the breathing for a while, and I focus on the heat of my body, and then eventually I'm gonna try to burn this toilet paper. Okay, so I'm gonna step away real quick, and now I'm just gonna focus. I just focus on my breathing, really. I don't focus on the object at all. I just focus on the breathing. I meditate, and I try to press all the heat of my body into my fingertips. Okay, it's gonna take 1 second. Okay, I feel the heat inside my fingers. If I touch an object now, it will probably burn. but I still need to focus on bringing this heat out of my body into the object. I'm gonna do that now. It can take a second, but stay with me, be patient, it's gonna happen. I feel it. Now I bring the heat inside one finger, just one finger. All the temperature of my body is in this index finger. I can feel it. So I think that was a success. I'm sorry, I'm a little out of breath. That was harder than I thought, but yeah, it worked. The toilet paper burnt, and like I said, you really have to focus on the heat of your body, bring everything into one little spot, and then with telekinesis, keep breathing. You can bring it into the distance, and then you can burn an object like this toilet paper. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and please be safe when you do that. I myself burned my face doing pyrokinesis, and I don't want it to happen to you because you mean a lot to me, okay? You guys are like true friends, you're like my family, and I just don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.